The 2025 Pagani Utopia Coupe is a rolling sculpture. In a world gone electric, hybrid, and digital, Pagani dares to go the other way. No hybrid system, no touchscreen overload, just a V12, a manual gearbox, and the purest expression of mechanical art ever put on four wheels. Let's start with the numbers, though they only tell part of the story. The Utopia Coupe is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12, hand-built by AMG for Pagani. It produces 864 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. All of that power is sent to the rear wheels, and here's the kicker, through a 7-speed manual gearbox. That's right, in 2025, a true manual, no paddles, no dual clutch, just a gear lever, a clutch pedal, and your right foot. 0 to 60, around 2.9 seconds. Top speed, over 220 miles per hour. But again, this car is not about numbers. It's about feel. It's about experience. The Utopia is built on a carbon titanium monocoque chassis. It weighs just 2,800 pounds. That's lighter than most sports cars, let alone hypercars. Every panel, every component is either carbon fiber, billet aluminum, or leather. Nothing is plastic. Nothing is fake. The exterior design is pure Pagani, flowing, artistic, dramatic. It's not aggressive like a Lamborghini or futuristic like a Rimac. It's timeless. Every surface is sculpted. The quad exhausts erupt from the rear like organ pipes. The clamshell hoods open front and rear, revealing both the V12 engine and the front suspension like a museum piece. Step inside and it's like entering a steampunk spaceship. The dials are all analog. The gear lever sits exposed in a milled aluminum gate. The pedals are polished metal. The dash is leather wrapped with exposed screws and jeweled switches. It's not just a cockpit, it's a watchmaker's workshop on wheels. There's no central screen, no Apple CarPlay, no digital gimmicks. If you want directions, look at a map. If you want music, listen to the V12 behind you. It revs to over 6,700 RPM and delivers a sound that feels like thunder in a cathedral. Driving the Utopia is an experience like no other. The steering is hydraulic, no electric assist here. It has weight, it has feedback, every corner is a conversation. The clutch is heavy, the gearbox mechanical. Every shift is deliberate, every input matters. This is not a car for everyone. It demands attention, skill, and passion. It doesn't isolate you from the road, it connects you to it. There's no safety net of computers or assists. This is you and the machine. And when you get it right, it's transcendent. Pagani is only building 99 coupes. Each one is fully customizable, with infinite combinations of paint, leather, metals, and finishes. No two are alike. Buyers go through a bespoke design process with Horacio Pagani himself. Yes, the man behind the brand still signs off on every car. The price? Around $2.5 million, before options. And trust me, options can double that price quickly. But for those lucky enough to own one, the Utopia isn't an investment. It's a legacy. In today's hypercar market, we see increasing reliance on electric torque, hybrid boosts, and digital interfaces. The Utopia says no. It says, give me beauty. Give me noise. Give me connection. This car isn't chasing trends. It's creating its own lane. The 2025 Pagani Utopia Coupe is one of the last truly analog hypercars. It doesn't care about Nürburgring times or EPA ratings. It cares about the soul. About the joy of driving. About creating something so beautiful, so rare, that it belongs in a gallery as much as a garage. It's the kind of car that reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. Pagani didn't just build a car. They built an idea of what driving could